To check screen time of your iPhone 16e, start by opening settings. Then you will have to navigate until you find screen time. And right now you will have to search for app and website activity. If you are opening for the first time, then you will have to turn it on for the first. And right now you can actually find at the top all of your daily usage. And like for the Monday, I was using that phone for around 4 hours. And when I'm gonna tap here, I can also find that this specific day, like for example right here or right here, there we go. And when I'm gonna scroll down, I can also find some other things like how long I was using specific app, the first pickup time, the total pickups, some health notifications and stuff like this. So as you can see, there's actually a lot of data that you can, pick up here and check by yourself.